So are Facebook Reels still worth doing? So there's no secret that short form videos are super popular right now. A lot of people are doing them to get traffic to whatever it is they got going on, whether it be their own products, affiliate products, or just trying to brand themselves. Short videos is what's up. Now, there's a current war going on between TikTok and YouTube, right? TikTok videos versus YouTube shorts. But what about Facebook Reels? Now, it couldn't have been no more than 3 or 4 months ago. Everybody was talking about Facebook Reels. People was even talking about how much money they was making just by posting Facebook Reels. But it seems like people ain't talking about it as much lately. I don't know why, but it just seems like it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Those are your two options. That's what it comes across, right? Even though that's not the case, you still got Instagram Reels out there. You still got Facebook Reels out there. Now, I'm gonna keep it real. Do I think you should be posting on Facebook Reels? Is it worth your time? I'm going to say yes. All right, yes. Why I say yes? Because I recently did a video talking about how I've been using Facebook Reels as part of my affiliate marketing strategy to help me get more traffic to my YouTube videos as well as my affiliate offers. Now, as I'm making this video, Facebook Reels is getting a lot of traffic, right? My Facebook Reels are getting more than my TikTok videos. Now, I don't really post on TikTok that much anymore. Why? Because when I was posting on TikTok, it was getting just as many views as my Facebook Reels, but Facebook Reels allowed me actually to put links, in the comments and description of my Reels. So I'm like, what the hell am I wasting my time over here on TikTok? You know what I'm saying? And I can't even post no links, right? Besides in my bio or whatever, but I like putting links where the easiest places where people can see them, right? So even right now, like my Facebook Reels are getting traffic, right? So I don't see a reason why I should stop using Facebook Reels right now, because it's helping me generate traffic to my affiliate offers as well as my YouTube videos. And I even talked about in that video how I'm getting paid by posting Facebook Reels, because I am a member of the Facebook Bonus Play program where they actually pay you for views. Now it's time to keep it super real, all right? I ain't making too much money from the views on my Facebook Reels. I ain't gonna lie. But it is extra money because primarily I'm using Facebook Reels to get traffic to my affiliate offers as well as my YouTube videos. So any damn extra money I get, hey, it's welcome, right? Do I wish it was more? Yeah, right? But I ain't complaining too bad, because when I started using Facebook Reels, I wasn't going in there with the intentions of getting paid from Facebook Reels. I just wanted to drive traffic, all right? So when it comes to the Facebook Play, pay, whatever, I made maybe like 20 bucks so far off of views, right? I was getting like 40 cents per 1,000 views. Now I think it's down to like 30, 35 cents. I don't know why the hell it went down. Facebook Reels, what's up with that? Why y'all drop my per 1,000 earnings? I don't know. But maybe it might go up, maybe it might go down. I don't know. But overall, I would suggest hopping on Facebook Reels. In my opinion, if you had to choose between TikTok and Facebook Reels, if you're not getting too much traction on TikTok, I would just go over to Facebook Reels and post the videos that you was going to use on TikTok, post them on Facebook Reels. All right. I still think, as of making this video, Facebook Reels is worth using, because to me, you're getting good views on it, and you actually could start earning some little extra cash once you start getting your view count up. All right. So that's my take on Facebook Reels. Comment below and let me know, are you using Facebook Reels?